make hunger. You can say it's hungry. So here, I'm gonna write, down by two. Uh, down, left by one, two, three, and down left, by three, down and left by one. The same block, so go left by two, or down, no, so. Hmm. Down left by one, two, three, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do this last pattern like that. Do here and the again to hit up 3, 4, 3, 2. Bam! Here. Just fill it and you will have this. Misty brand it for you. For all of you guys. Oh, people! Don't know why I built UK and Spain, Portugal in one video, bro. The countries at once. Um, bro, hello. We got the forgot. I forgot the other white will be white. Shame, bro. The center will be white. Measures 4 blocks. If you flip like this, can be Italy. If you like this, can be Italy. Italy will be Hungary in the D6 scale. And bam, this will be your map right now. Wait till Balkans arrive, okay?